Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have photos, now start. Open your video editor and import the entire folder so files stay together. Once imported, create a new sequence set to 16, 9, and 24 or 30 FPS depending on your platform. Next, drag a single photo into the timeline, then change its duration to 3 to 5 seconds to test pacing. If that feels slow or fast, tweak to taste. Make sure auto stretch is off so further edits keep your chosen timing consistent throughout the project. Now assemble the rest of the photos in order, using ripple edit or snapping to avoid gaps. Once placed, apply a single transition style like a 0. 3 to 0. 8-second cross dissolve so the flow is cohesive. Consistency is easier than per clip customization. For subtle motion, add 2 scale and position keyframes giving 10 to 30% zoom across each clip. This creates a Ken Burns effect and keeps still images visually engaging. Make sure easing is enabled for smooth movement. Finish by adding music and any voiceover, then balance levels so music sits around -12 to -18 dB and doesn't overpower speech. Once audio is set, apply a single color correction pass or a LUT to create visual unity across photos. Export using H.264, 1080p, and an 8 to 12 Mbps target bitrate for crisp output and reasonable file size. If clips look jittery, make sure motion keyframes use eased interpolation, and that frame rate matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.